Hello, this is Miss Brown, and next we'll be studying about Phylum Nematoda, the roundworms. That's the second item on your chart, and again, let me remind you, you can, stop the video to fill in. So phylum for this one is Nematoda. Okay, distinctive trait, round body, thread-like, tube-shaped. Now, milestone development, we're moving up with the gut area. It's pseudo-coelomate, so there is a cavity there, but it's not lined. And another big plus here, we're getting a one-way gut with an in and an out. We have a mouth and an anus in this group. Body layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Body symmetry is again bilateral, two mirror images. Body cavity, pseudo-coelomate. It has a false cavity because there's no lining. All right, cephalization is present. We've got a head end and a tail end. All right, a nervous system. We have what's called a nerve ring, and we have a longitudinal nerve cord. What kind of movement do these worms have? They have simple muscles for a snake-like movement. So they move very similar to a snake, which you're familiar with. Okay, there are two body openings. We got a mouth that takes in food and an anus that removes wastes. Digestion, one-way tube type gut, and of course that's more efficient because you don't have mixing of waste with the incoming food and it's able to digest as it keeps taking food in, so it's more efficient. Respiration, we still have diffusion through the body wall. Circulation is also diffusion throughout the body cells. And asexually, it can regenerate. And sexually, this is the only worm group that has separate sexes. And the males are smaller. Why? Because they don't carry the eggs. Okay, we have a cuticle that prevents digestion of these intestinal parasites. And I'm sorry, I had a little interruption here. That happens in school sometimes. Lifestyle, we have free living. These are the ones you might see out in soil and water. You might dig up in the garden sometime. And then we have parasites. An example of those is hookworm, pinworm. You've heard of these. You'll have a video to watch on how the hookworm really affected the South and affected our society quite a bit. And pinworms are still kind of common in young children. And I'll try to talk to you about that one day when we have a Zoom call together. And there's where we'll end up with our roundworms. Thank you.